go to Chaffar, I can tell you. It's just, it's a beach, it's facts, but not only did I tell you, it's not only a beach, but a structure that you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Although these things, because I'm claustrophobic. No, not claustrophobic. I'm afraid of heights. Okay, guys. So as you can see, this is the roof. And since I live in Indonesia, there's Arabic languages around here, but I'm gonna translate that to you guys later. Anyways, let's keep on with our tour. Now, if you didn't, this is the main structure. I'm in the second floor. See, this is the staircase, and this is the wonderful view of Chaffar Facts. You can even see that I'm even afraid of heights when I drop something in here. Oh no. It's like so creepy. I'm gonna freak out. I like this. I need to go to Flender's territory, shall we? Okay. There's a secret. Yep. This staircase leads to an unknown place I can't even talk about. Let's just not talk about heights. I'm talking about this lot. So, as you can see, there's a wonderful view inside. I actually need to go inside the building because, sheesh, where do those tubes lead to? Okay, this staircase leads to up. And it says Espace Restaurant, that means space restaurant. I'm gonna freaking the rules. Not just kidding, be allowed. And as you can see, it's a view. Wait. Let's try something, guys. So, I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, just like that. And as you can see, just gotta put it. Alright guys, did you see me? Yeah, that's pretty cool. It'll get even cooler if you check the roof. It's made for like a soft pattern. See that structure? And this is the worst thing that I can't. Ooh, fascinating. That board's never been there before. If you look under, you might say. Well, if you said that, you're mostly wrong. Cause, oh, sorry, those couple strangers. As you could see for yourself. Almost dropped the camera. Okay, now this is a little braggy looking, but I'm gonna share this to all of you guys. Like the news bug. I'm gonna turn on breaking news. We're in Chaffar. Facts. Okay, let's just turn. mean, it literally made a flood. I mean, rain and all. Let's forget about that and go grassy staircase. As you can see, I could tell it's worth $1 million since they actually rented this. But you know, the structure is very, very complicated. It's like so stable. You can even see the under. Okay. Check it out, guys. It's like something that chairs of before and after thingy. It's actually pretty cool. But I mean, there are 3 things that I hate the most in this place. 1, why are the flowers fake? I want real nature. And 2nd, why do they make people always afraid of heights? And 3rd, why is this board literally here? This is not a camera station. Or I might use this for the camera. Okay, just kidding. It's almost a 7-minute video. Actually, really, it's true. So, yep. Check you guys. See you later. Don't forget to check out the money video.